bargain, bargain. To try to get a lower price by negotiating. We were bargaining over the price of a sofa. I always bargain at the street market. Embrace, embrace. To hold someone or something closely in your arms, like a warm hug. Come here and give me a big embrace before you leave. They embraced each other at the airport. Stink, stink. To smell very bad or unpleasant. This garbage really stinks, please take it out. Don't leave your socks here, they stink. Peep, peep. To look quickly or secretly for a short time, often through a small opening. He peeped inside the room before entering. Don't peep through keyholes, it's rude. Pee, pee. To urinate, or to pass urine. I need to pee, where's the bathroom? Hold on, I am peeing, don't open the door. Ring, ring. To twist or squeeze something tightly, usually to remove liquid. Please wring the wet towel before hanging it. He wrung the shirt after washing it. Barefoot, barefoot. Without shoes or socks on your feet. Don't go outside barefoot, it's dirty. Why are you still barefoot? Put on some slippers, it's cold. Wilt, wilt. To become weak, soft, or droopy because of heat, lack of water, or tiredness. Plants will wilt if you forget to water them. The flowers wilted in the afternoon heat. Sweat, Sweat. He was sweating after climbing the stairs. I wiped the sweat from my forehead. Funeral. Funeral. A ceremony for showing respect to a dead person. His funeral was held in the old church. I felt very sad during the funeral ceremony. Ache. Ache. To feel a continuous, dull pain in a part of the body. My legs are aching after the long walk. Her head is aching because of the loud music. Purchase. Purchase. To buy something. I will purchase a new phone tomorrow. Did you purchase the gift for your friend? Console. Console. To comfort someone who is sad or upset. She was crying, so I sat beside her to console her. Sometimes all you need is someone to console you. Mad. Mad. Angry or upset with someone or something. Why are you mad at me? I didn't do anything. Don't be mad, it was just a joke. Grudge. Grudge. A feeling of anger or dislike toward someone because of something bad they did in the past. She is still holding a grudge against him for what he did. I don't hold a grudge against you for what happened. Imitate. Imitate. To copy the way someone speaks, acts, or behaves, or to mimic. Stop imitating me, it is really annoying now. Why are you imitating my accent? Blind. Blind. unable to see, or physically cannot see. He was born blind and cannot see anything. She is not blind, she just needs glasses. Sawing, sawing. To cut something with a saw, usually wood or metal. He is sawing the wood in the backyard. He is sawing a branch off the tree. Recite, recite. To say something aloud from memory, like a poem, speech, or list. The teacher asked me to recite a poem in class. He recited a long passage from the novel. Argue, argue. To speak angrily with someone because you disagree with them. Don't argue with me right now, I'm tired. Why are you arguing with your brother again?